Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix if your TikTok account messages are not working. So either you can't send a message or you can't see a message. Somehow your messages are not working on TikTok. I'll show you how to fix that issue. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of TikTok. For this purpose, you just have to jump right into the Google Play Store. After that, simply tap on the search bar icon at the top of the screen and search for TikTok. Now at the right next to the TikTok, it will either says update as it says to me, or it will says you open. If it says update, which means that you need to update your app as soon as possible. Otherwise, if it says open, which means that you just have to open up your app and your app is up to date. Once you have updated your app, exit this and it will fix your issue. But unfortunately, if your issue isn't resolved, you have to go to your phone settings, and from here you have to scroll down a little bit and tap on where it says apps. From the apps, you simply have to search for TikTok. Once you are on the TikTok info page, you have to simply tap on where it says storage and cache, and after that you simply have to tap on clear cache and clear storage. It will clear all the bugs and glitches within the app, and you will get a new and a fresher version of the app, and then all of your issues will be fixed. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.